All right, class, we are going to take a look at some of your animal research projects. I would just like to display some of your projects so that you can get an idea of how I would like you to edit your work and what things I am still looking for. This is Casey's animal research so far, and it is looking great so far. One of the facts that he has, it says the longest great whites are 3 times Shaquille O'Neal. This would be so cool to have a visual of Shaquille O'Neal and a great white shark next to each other. That would be a really cool visual. So if that could be added to this slideshow, that would be a nice diagram, and you're adding in a nonfiction text feature. Taking a look at this, here is Asteria's, and we're talking about the diet, and she starts the first part with they eat milk. Who who is they, and do you actually eat milk? I think it's more baby goats drink milk for the first 30 days. Then they eat grain and hay. She's also concerned about her sentences being not having enough sentences. So I might put a period here and just go ahead and start a new sentence. Once they are weaned from milk, then I'm going to put a comma here. Once they are weaned from milk, they eat grain and hay. One thing I want you to notice right here really quick, this is really important, and you might not realize this, but if you take a look at your periods, you need to have a space after your period. So here's one. Here's another spot that I could put a space. I'm going to go ahead and let Asteria do this so that she has practice. And Asteria, don't forget, at the end, need a period. All right, let's take a look at Vinny's work right here. Elk live in the forest, mountainous regions. NS, I'm not sure what that is. Please fix that or explain what that means. Once again, here, you do need a space after your commas as well. Here is another place that you can put a space in there, Vinny. Peyton, take a look. Make sure we're using the correct capital letters. So, Ethiopia, that is a country, proper noun. That needs to be capitalized. Proper noun being a place. Northern Kenya, probably also a place. Africa, also a place, needs to be capital letter. Madison, take a look at this. She incorporated a fact box, and in her fact box, she even put in a bolded word. And I bet during her presentation, she's going to explain that bolded word to us. Or at the end, Madison, this could be another idea. At the end of your slides, if you want to add another slide, and maybe it's called the glossary, and you can talk about your invasive species. Invasive. You can talk about and put in your definition there. That would be kind of a cool another text feature. Let's see. Oh, Natalia, take a look at this. What they look like. Great heading. They are brown and have black spots. I really don't know what animal you're talking about. I know that I could go to the first page, but I should be able to look at every single page and know exactly what animal you're talking about. Here's an example. Tenley, this is what I was going to talk about here. Don't forget your spaces after your periods, okay? And then I think Cody's, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on some of the spelling. If we take a look at this right here. Oh, all right, well, making sure you have correct spelling. Brown. They are brown. periods. We need some periods here. You can also make your pictures smaller, and if you want pictures in with your words, you can also change your layout so that you can have one column of text and a picture on the side. That way you can get in your picture and your words. So just a couple of things for you to look at. I will be looking at your projects again and give you more information once I see how your projects are progressing.